Do you want to go somewhere this weekend? Yes, we haven't gone out for a long time. Then let's plan for a hill station. That's a good idea. But what about the budget? We can plan the trip on a low budget. Will train be better or bus for travel? I think the train will be more comfortable. And where will we book the hotel? We can search for good offers online. Should we book the tickets in advance? Yes, otherwise we might face problems at the last moment. How many days should we plan the trip for? 2 days will be enough. Should we ask other friends too? It will be more fun if more people join, but then the expenses will increase. Right, let's fix the budget first. We will have to calculate both food and the travel expenses. I'll check train availability today itself and I'll check hotel reviews. Okay, let's finalize the plan by evening. I am very excited about this trip. I also really need a break. Let's make good memories this time. Definitely, this trip will be memorable. We should also do the packing in advance. Yes, last minute rush is not good. Should we check the weather forecast? Absolutely. If it rains, the plan could get spoiled. I'll check the weather update right now. And don't forget to bring the camera. This time we will take lots of pictures. Will we explore local places too? Yes, we are not going to sit in the hotel only. We should also try local food. True, that's the real fun of a trip. Have you prepared your bag? Not yet, but I'll finish it by tonight. Alright, we have to leave on time in the morning. This time I won't be late. I hope so, otherwise, we will miss the train.